Alright, so I'm going to do an experiment and we're going to see how it works out. A lot of people online have posted, kind of home remedies to clean up brass, and so what I'm going to do is all of these screws with the nut, they are actually brass. They are just patinaed and old. So the remedy I'm going to try to use is ketchup. So what I'm going to do is soak these in ketchup. Like I've seen some other videos on it, so I'm going to try it. I'm trying to get this brass hardware back to where it was. You can see the shininess there, so that's how I'd like it to be all over. So I'm going to get a cup and some ketchup, and we will put these in there and start soaking them. I believe it's probably going to take about a week, so obviously this video is going to be fast forwarded a week once they are done. Alright, so I got the bolts and the nuts in the ketchup here. So what I'm going to do is let this sit for 5 days, and I'm going to check on them after 5 days and kind of see how they're coming along. You saw how dirty or patinaed they were, so we're going to see how it cleans it up, and we may have to leave it in there for another day or two. Just depends on how they look, and then we'll see how well it worked. Alright, so after soaking the bolts and the nuts in the ketchup for about 5 days, 6 days, turns out that they are actually looks like they're bronze, silicone bronze, I believe. So I thought they were brass, but as you can see, this one right here, I had to go out and buy one nut, and that's a solid brass nut. I was missing just one, and I thought that these were brass, but evidently they're not. So you can see the difference between the two. This is I was reading up on silicone bronze, and so the majority of it is copper. So these are really pink. When they came right out of the cup, I had to hit them with a wire brush. I have they have little wire brushes that have brass bristles. So I used one of those, and so it's really soft, and I just had to basically brush off the corrosion from where it was being eaten off by the ketchup. But yeah, as you can see, they came out pretty good, pretty clean. So they've been sitting for about a day, and they're already starting to patina a little bit from the normal copper. When they first came out of the cups, they were like a new shiny penny. And so yeah, I'm actually going to be using these on a project. I am restoring a garden bench, so it has cast iron sides and then wood slats, and this was actually the original hardware from it. I got the bench for free off of somebody, and all the wood slats were falling apart and stuff like that. And so I have the sides at the powder coat shop right now, and then I'm going to make some wood slats for it, and I'm going to make another video showing the stages of that. And so if you're interested in that, I'll put a link in the description once I finish that video. But yeah, if you're in need of cleaning brass or silicone bronze, ketchup seems to be a good option. And I did see somewhere online, someone said that possibly for silicone bronze, maybe apple cider vinegar might work a little bit quicker. But I'm not sure. I didn't have any. I did have ketchup, so I tried that and let them sit, and a couple of them I had to re-soak, and then for about another day, and then they were good to go. So yeah, thanks for watching, and look for my other videos.